So why are you so grumpy? Did you fall in duck poop?
I did.
Yeah.
I slipped in all the duck poo. And the smell is ripe.
Well, once we finally live here, it'll be a lot easier to change. Well, let's turn that frown upside down. Tell us what we're gonna do garden-wise. So
Yeah.
what's the plan here?
So we have 6 raised beds right now. So we're going to be creating 5 more raised beds out of some logs. We have a tree in our pasture that has fallen down, which will be perfect for creating more beds. So we're going to do another 5 beds right in front of these existing beds. And then we're going to stick our 2 metal beds, which I'm going to let the girls kind of take charge of this year and plant in. Those will be in front of the 6th bed. So we will have a very nice rectangular shaped garden for this year. And then later on we'll be kind of fabricating a fence because the deer and the bunnies have finally found us. So yeah, I think rectangle will be easy to fence in. And then the plan is the following year to get rid of all the logs and transition into in-ground planting, which will be great. So one step at a time. So this year we'll do another set of raised beds, get some good compost in here, and then take it from there.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Great. Well, let's get started.
Hey, Pen, are you happy to be herding tractors again? Yeah.
So this tree fell down a few storms ago, so this is one that we're gonna, just clean up while we're doing this too.
I don't know. Can you pick up the whole thing?
Going anywhere?
Nope.
Missed.
Nice. This one is really kind of up.
Wonky?
Yeah.
Well, that's because this is up. You want to put something under it?
Yeah, can we do that?
I'll pick up the other one. 1, 2, 3.
There. Yeah, that makes it a little bit more.
The end of your foot.
Yeah. Cool box. Roof is looking good. God bless these workers. It's New Year's Day and they're out here working hard, trying to get our roof up so we can just continue on with the process of building. Yeah, it's a good idea to leave it in. It's a good idea to leave the log in the tractor. That way it holds it still.
Yeah, it holds it a little bit more. So
Yeah.
these are good, but then we'll move that one out.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Well, they don't have to be pretty, they just have to hold dirt.
That's right. All right. Muzza?
Huh?
Do you want to say welcome back to day 2? It's cold.
Welcome back to day 2, and it's cold.
Well, that's it for this episode. We built 5 beds. We're ready for planting season. And we'll have 2 more metal beds at the end.
Just need everything to warm up. It's cold.
Just need everything to warm up. It's cold. So thanks for everyone who subscribed and followed along. I look forward to giving everyone an update in the house for our next video. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Penny is so happy to be outside. Throw the stick for Penny. She's got one.